Hello, this is Micah Adler from Anyone Can Fundraise. Excited to be here with you. And if you have Google Workspace or Microsoft Copilot, Microsoft 365, a lot of times you have amazing tools that a nonprofit could use for free. And then if you're not utilizing all the tools that you have, then it's obviously not great. This is gemini.google.com. This is my workspace. When you're in a nonprofit, you get a pro account. And what I'm going to do is show you this new image generator, which is quite amazing. It does a lot, and you can actually, it's super powerful. It may replace something Photoshop or Canva for you, and it's part of the Google Workspace suite. Here we go. We're going to add this, upload the file. I'm going to upload a file of myself, and then I'm going to give it instructions. And usually what would happen, it would distort the file, but I'm going to show you now that it's not going to do that. Can you add a background, let's say a nonprofit organization working with environmental. This is an example. I'm going to say that it actually works quite quickly and it keeps the images on top that I'm giving it very clean, which is, it didn't do that before. So you can see this is the same image of myself with a funny background, but then I could theoretically add different parts to that. I could add wording, I could add all this other stuff. And then I could even say, take down the background. It's pretty cool stuff. ChatGPT does something very similar, but it messes up the picture that you give it. This is my picture. It looks the same as the one above. I just wanted to show you this because it could be valuable for a nonprofit or even a for-profit organization that's using Google. You can even use it with your personal account. Thank you for your time, and hopefully this is helpful. Have a great day. Bye.